Hola everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Jesus and this is Weirdo Beauty. For today's makeup video, I'm doing an easy natural makeup look using only e.l.f. products. Now this video is not sponsored by e.l.f, but I do love their products and they're super affordable and they work great. I already did my eyebrows off camera using the Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream in the shade Espresso and the dual-sided brow brush that comes with the angled brush and the spoolie. I tried to do my brows a bit more natural this time, only filling in the tail of my brow using light strokes with just a bit of the brow cream. Now to get rid of my huge pores, I'm using the Poreless Putty Primer and taking a dime-sized amount and applying it to my cheeks and a bit of my nose and blending it in. Next, with the clear mascara and brow gel, I'm brushing through my brows so the brow cream stays in place. And you may be wondering why the brow gel isn't clear. Well, it used to be clear, because I used it on top of my brow cream and tinted the brush brown, and when I dipped it back in, it also tinted the gel. Now this comes in handy since the gel tints my brows a bit, but that was a happy little accident. Before I use the mascara, I'm curling my eyelashes with an eyelash curler, and this one's from e.l.f, but you can use any one you want. I think they may even have some at the dollar store. Then after I curl my lashes, I'm applying the clear mascara. Next, I'm using the Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm applying a bit under my eyes and anywhere I have redness to cancel it out so it blends in with my skin tone so you can't see my gross pimples. I'm blending it out with my fingers since the sponge I have isn't from e.l.f. Now I'm applying the Smooth and Set Eye Powder also using my fingers and applying just a bit under my eyes where I applied the concealer so it doesn't crease. Next I'm using the highlighter stick in the shade Dewy, which is just clear, and applying a bit under my brow bone, on my nose, above my cheeks, and on my cupid's bow, and I'm also blending that out with my fingers. The final step is I'm applying the plumping lip gloss and I'm using the shade Champagne Glam. And this tutorial is complete. I calculated the total if you were to buy all of these products and all of them came out to less than $40. You could also save a few dollars if you buy directly from the e.l.f. website because they give you 2 free gifts if you buy more than $15 worth of product, and that's how I got the highlighter stick and the eye powder, so it'll be even less. Once again, this video is not sponsored by e.l.f. I just love their makeup and their skincare. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, watch another video, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at JesusCH with an extra U, and on Twitter and TikTok at JesusCH_, also with an extra U. I'll see you on the next video. Adios!